D.Y. Chandrachud, 50th Chief Justice of India. 49th was U. Lalit. Arun Goyal, Election Commissioner of India. Chief Election Commissioner of India is Rajiv Kumar. Arun Goyal is Election Commissioner of India. C.B. Anand Bose, Governor of West Bengal, replacing La Ganesan. Justice Rituraj Awasthi, Chairperson of Law Commission of India. Subrakant Panda, President of FICCI. Vishal Kapoor. Vishal Kapoor, CEO of Energy Efficiency Services Limited. Vishal Kapoor, CEO of Energy Efficiency Services Limited. Arvind Bhirmani, full-time member of Niti Aayog. Arvind Bhirmani, full-time member of Niti Aayog. Three others are Professor Ramesh Chand, Dr. V.K. Saraswat, and Dr. V.K. Paul. Suraj Bhan, Chairman of National Pension System Trust. National Pension System Trust. Suraj Bhan, Chairman of National Pension System Trust. Arun Kumar Singh, Chairman of ONGC. Arun Kumar Singh, Chairman of ONGC. Sandhya Devnath. Sandhya Devnath is head of Meta India. Sandhya Devnathan, head of Meta India. KB Kamath, independent member of Reliance Industries Limited. KB Kamath, independent member of Reliance Industries Limited. J.Y. Lee, executive chairman of Samsung Electronics. J.Y. Lee, executive chairman of Samsung Electronics. Dr. G. Hemprabha, director of ISAR SBI. Dr. G. Hemprabha, director of ISAR SBI. Vivek Joshi, secretary of Department of Financial Services. Vivek Joshi, secretary of Department of Financial Services. Ramesh Kejriwal, president of All India Rubber Association. Ramesh Kejriwal, president of All India Rubber Association. C. Andha Ramakrishnan, director of CSIR NIIST. C. Andha Ramakrishnan, director of CSIR NIIST. Greg Barclay, independent chair of ICC. Greg Barclay, independent chair of ICC. Vinit Kumar, CEO of KVIC. Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Khadi and Village Industries Commission. Vinit Kumar is the CEO of KVIC. Minesh Sisa, MD of NDDB. Minesh Sisa, MD of Managing Director of NDDB, National Dairy Development Board. National Dairy Development Board. Sundaram Ramamurthy, MD CEO of BSE Limited. Sundar Raman Ramamurthy, MD CEO of Bharatiya Bombay Stock Exchange Limited, BSE Limited. Luis Inacio Lula da Silva, President of Brazil. Luis Inacio Lula da Silva, President of Brazil, succeeding Jair Bolsonaro. Benjamin Netanyahu, PM of Israel, defeated Yair Lapid. Benjamin Netanyahu is new PM of Israel, succeeded Yair Lapid. Anwar Ibrahim, PM of Malaysia. Anwar Ibrahim, PM of Malaysia. Elon Musk, CEO of Twitter. Elon Musk, CEO of Twitter. Bijon Golden, CEO of Adidas Group. Bijon Golden, CEO of Adidas Group. Leo Messi, Global Ambassador of Byju's. Global Ambassador of Byju's, Leo Messi. Neeraj Chopra, brand ambassador of Switzerland Tourism. Neeraj Chopra, brand ambassador of Switzerland Tourism. Ghana is now president of United Nations Security Council. Ghana is now president of United Nations Security Council. Bob Iger, returning as the CEO of Disney. Bob Iger, CEO of Disney. October 2022. B.D. Mishra, Governor of Meghalaya. B.D. Mishra, Governor of Meghalaya, succeeding Satyapal Malik. Dr. A.K. Anil Kumar, Vice President of International Astronautical Federation. Sujay Lal Thausen, DG of CRPF. Anish Dayal Singh, DG of ITBP. Kishore Kumar Poldasu, MD CEO of SBI General Insurance. MD CEO of SBI General Insurance. Kishore Kumar Poldasu. Prashant Kumar, MD CEO of Yes Bank. Prashant Kumar, MD CEO of Yes Bank. A. Balasubramaniam, Chairman of Association of Mutual Funds in India. A. Balasubramaniam, Association of Mutual Funds in India. Mohit Bhatia, MD CEO of Bank of India Investment Management Private Limited. Bank of India Investment Management Private Limited. Anant Narayan Gopi Krishnan, whole-time member of SEBI. Anant Narayan Gopi Krishnan, whole-time member of SEBI. Dipendra Singh Rathore, Independent Director of Karur Vysya Bank. Dipendra Singh Rathore, Independent Director of Karur Vysya Bank. Non-Executive Independent Director of Karur Vysya Bank. Arun Bansal, CEO of Adani Airports Holding Limited. Adani Airport Holdings Limited. Roger Bini, President of BCCI. Arun Bansal is CEO of Adani Airport Holdings Limited. Roger Bini is President of BCCI. Atanu Chakrabarti, Chairman of UB. Atanu Chakrabarti, Chairman of UB. Naveen Wadhwani, Head of JP Morgan Chase and Company, India. Head of JP Morgan Chase and Company, India. Country Head of JP Morgan Chase, Naveen Wadhwani. Bharti Das, Controller General of Accounts, CGA. Controller General of Accounts of India. Sandeep Bakshi, MD CEO of ICICI Bank. Sandeep Bakshi, MD CEO of ICICI Bank. Atanu Kumar Goyal, MD CEO of PNB. Atanu Kumar Goyal, MD CEO of PNB. Pradeep Singh Kharola, Chairman and Managing Director of India Trade Promotion Organization. Chairman and Managing Director of India Trade Promotion Organization. Abdul Latif Rashid, President of Iraq. ULF Kristersson, PM of Sweden. Rishi Sunak, 57th PM of England. Ravi Kumar S, President of Cognizant America. Smriti Mandhana, Brand Ambassador of Gulf Oil India. Smriti Mandhana. Saurabh Ganguly, Brand Ambassador of Bandhan Bank. R. Venkatramani, new Attorney General of India. Anil Chauhan, CDS, second CDS of India. Rajendra Kumar, DG of ESIC, Employees State Insurance Corporation. Kalyan Chaube, President of AIFF, All India Football Federation. Dilip Tirke, President of Hockey India. Dilip Asbe, MD CEO of NPCI, National Payment Council of India. Dr. Rajiv Bahi, DG of ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research. Dr. Rajiv Bahi, DG of ICMR. Santosh Iyer, MD CEO of Mercedes-Benz India. Santosh Iyer. M.V. Iyer, Chairman and Managing Director of GAIL. M.V. Iyer. Lakshman Narasimhan, CEO of Starbucks CEO Lakshman Narasimhan. Saji Prabhakaran, Secretary General of AIFF, All India Football Federation. Sahi Prabhakaran, Secretary General of AIFF. Krishnan Subramaniam, MD CEO of Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank. MD CEO of Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank. Sanjay Khanna, CEO of AEBC India, American Express Banking Corporation India. Sanjay Khanna, CEO of AEBC India. BP Kanugo and Kaushik Datta, Independent Director of Bharat Pay. BP Kanugo and Kaushik Datta appointed as Independent Director of Bharat Pay. Sumant Katpalia, MD CEO of IndusInd Bank. Sumant Katpalia. Pralay Mandal, MD CEO of CSB Bank, Catholic Syrian Bank. Rajneet Singh Kohli, Director CEO of Britannia Industries. Rajneet Singh Kohli, Director CEO of Britannia Industries. Giorgia Meloni, Prime Minister of Italy. Giorgia Meloni, Prime Minister of Italy. Volker Turk, UN High Commissioner for UNHRC, UN High Commissioner for United Nations Human Rights Commission. Volker Turk, UN High Commissioner for United Nations Human Rights Corporation.